guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, today I have another amazing cooking video for you guys. Yes, I am cooking southern baked macaroni and cheese casserole. Yes, it is amazing. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right to it. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with boiling our water for our noodles. And to prevent our noodles from sticking, I'm just going to add some extra virgin olive oil to the water. You know, while it's boiling, you can do butter if you like. I'm just going to use olive oil. And I have my stove eye turned on high. So once my water comes to a good hard boil, then we'll go on to the next step. Now that our water has came to a hard boil, you want to add 3 cups of pasta, and you want to cook them until they are nice and firm. You want to cook them until they are nice and firm, but do not overcook them. So we're just going to allow them to cook. Our noodles has boiled for about 5 to 8 minutes, and they are, you know, firmly cooked, so you don't want to overcook them. So I'm just going to turn the eye off, and I'm going to drain them. Now that we have drained our noodles, you just want to set them aside. And you want to melt 4 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. So 4 tablespoons, melt it on medium heat. So once our butter melt completely, our 4 tablespoons of butter has melted. Now you're going to take some all-purpose flour, which is 3 tablespoons, and you're going to sprinkle in here, and you're going to whisk it together. You want to make sure you don't have any lumps. So we're going to whisk that together. Get it really smooth. Next, you want to pour you're going to use half and half. So you're going to need 3 cups and a half of half and half. So this is 2 cups. I got to get another cup and a half. There we go. So 3 cups and a half of half and half. And we just want to stir it really good. So now you want to cook this until it gets thick. So if you want to keep your eye on medium heat, you can, or you can turn it up just a little bit to cook it on, to get your mixture thick. But once it gets thick, if you do cook it on, turn your eye up and cook it on high heat. Just make sure once it starts getting thick, you turn the eye back down, because you don't want it to stick. Okay? Our mixture has thickened up. You see it came to a hard boil, so you just want to reduce the heat. So I got it on 3. And you want to add a cup of cheddar cheese. Cup of cheddar cheese. A little salt. And you want to add a little pepper. And you're gonna mix it in really good. Now we have a cheese sauce. Should look See how it's thick and creamy? That's what you want. So you're going to let that simmer for about 2 minutes. Next, you just want to place your cooked drained noodles in a large bowl. And you just want to add your cheese sauce. It's kind of hard doing it with my left hand since I'm right-handed. So just you want to mix this in really good, which I'm going to use my spatula. Don't that look good? So now, at this point, you want to taste your noodles and see, do we need more salt or more pepper or whatever. I know I'm going to add more pepper, but I'm not sure about the salt. So yeah, I'm definitely going to add some more salt. Just a little bit. And a little bit more pepper. And you want to blend it in really good. So next you want to take some mozzarella cheese. I have mozzarella cheese here. I don't know if you can see. And you want to put about a ½ cup in there and mix it really good. Like that. Next, you just want to take your noodles and you want to add a layer of noodles to the bottom of your pan. You want to spread it out. You want to add a layer of sharp cheddar cheese. You can have it as thick as you want, as cheesy as you want. So what I do is I do cheddar and I do mozzarella. In other words, it's layers to this thing. Next, you want to add your other layer of macaroni. Really cheesy. I'm gonna lay that down in there. You want to spread it out as evenly as you can. that. And next, I'm going to, this time, I'm going to, since this is the top layer, I'm going to sprinkle my mozzarella cheese first. Like that. And I'm going to do my cheddar cheese. Okay, and that is it for as the layering part. Don't that look amazing? So for the final step, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to melt it. So after the 2 tablespoons butter has melted, you're going to take a half a cup of Prego breadcrumbs I have here, and you're going to just mix it in with the butter. Just want to coat it really good. After that, you turn your eye off. It should look something like that. Now you just want to take that and you want to sprinkle it on top of your macaroni and cheese casserole. Okay, once it's all on there, you know, just spread it about so it ain't all in one spot. And now, I don't know if I told you guys or not, but I did have my oven preheated at 350 while I was prepping my macaroni. And I also lightly sprayed my pan before I even put the macaroni in the pan. So now all we're going to do is we're going to place it in the oven. We're going to cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Our baked macaroni and cheese casserole has cooked for 35 minutes. I kept it at extra 5 just to brown it. And it is perfectly cooked, browned, and ready to eat. It looks amazing. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I definitely did. Okay, so with that being said, this recipe is one of those recipes you can whip together for like any occasion, or you know, if you're just having dinner, I'm like, I got a taste for macaroni and cheese. This is that recipe. So comment below, tell me what you think, tell me whatever you want to tell me. I don't know. But anyway, I'm in a good mood today. I'm really happy. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. But anyway, so comment below, subscribe, thumbs up, and make sure your bell is on, because you don't want to miss an upload. I got some really good stuff coming up, you guys. Anyway, by the way, I gotta go because I got family to entertain. So with that being said, bye.